Hello everyone, Arpshane here, and welcome to something about servers. So, right here, we have a quality server, and then this person, but this person, has decided to be a bad person and mess with everything. So, essentially what they did was they took all the roles, and then they just messed with them. So essentially, any role below your role, you can get that role. And then they somehow managed to use the system to get themselves admin, which is always a problem, and it always happens. Like, as soon as you launch a server, there's going to be some group of people who are going to immediately attack the server. So, if you have been wondering where I have been these past few days, this is why. It's because people were doing this as a server, which is not very good. And some things that they did was, they said, either demote me, like RPG Penguin, like I, until I've got no perms, or make him a chat manager. So, that, they actually can't do that, like, at all. And then they're threatening to either demote me, get muted, terminate all of my accounts, raid the server, which is what they're doing, which, and then it's like, 5% chance we'll all go in peace, which, yeah, that's, don't listen. If you see something like that, and you're on a server, even though I am just like a admin on the server, don't fall for it. So if this ever happens to you, all servers have this nice thing called a audit log in their settings, which allows you to see everything that happened. So while I was on my way back from where I was, Phoenix Plays YT, who is linked in the description below, kind of just did all this in quick succession by going to the audit logs and finding out exactly who did the thing. So a whole bunch of stuff here happens, and then it all gets marked, and you can tell exactly who does what on your server in case something goes wrong. So you can find the actual problem of that. So with that, that is what's been happening past days. I mean, they also brought me to a server called quote-unquote court, apparently, which I went to because I thought it would be funny, and it was. But that's about the entire story for what's been happening. And with that, I'm gonna say RPG Penguin out.